Okay, so today we will discuss CARO 2020 memory tricks. So this is very easy and there are around 21 clauses. So remembering every clause number is going to be very tough like this. So by the memory trick we can easily remember all the clause number along with the clause name. So first memory trick is filled. We'll remember it in parts so that it will not be tough to remember. The first memory trick is filled, FILLD and not FILED. So instead of E there is L. So from F the first will be fixed assets, from I it will be inventory, from L it will be loans, LGI. You have studied it in law also, wherever there is loan guarantee investment. So loan guarantee investment to any company, firm or LLP. This is from L. From L you can easily remember loans. In fourth it is loans investments under section 185 and 186 compliance. Then from D easily you can remember, like from L it is loan, similarly D is deposit, so deposit accepted by the company. So this is now para number 1, this is clause 2, this is clause 3, this is clause 4 and this is clause 5. So this way you can remember easily that clause 1 is fixed assets, clause 2 is inventory, clause 3 is loans and clause 4 is again loans, compliance under section 185 186, clause 5 is deposits. Now the second memory trick is CSR. So from CSR, C it will be cost records. So easily you can see that cost records is para 6, clause 6. Now from S it is statutory dues compliance. So this is clause 7. Now transactions not recorded. From R it is transactions not recorded. So clause 8 is not recorded. Now CSR. So easily you can remember that clause 6 is cost records, clause 7 is statutory dues, clause 8 is transactions not recorded. Now if we revise it, filled and CSR. From F it is fixed deposits, from I it is inventory, from L loans guarantee investments, from L again loans and investments, from D deposits. Now if we revise CSR, from C it is cost records, from S it is statutory dues, from R it is transactions not recorded. Now we'll move on to the next memory trick, that is R. So here you need to see very carefully. Here it is R, then O, then F, then N, R, I. Just to remember this, because it was being R, O, F, N, R, I. So this way you can remember, no? So to make it easy to remember, I've written R. You might have studied in DT, direct tax resident. R stands for resident and NRI stands for non-resident of India. So you can remember this way, and OF will be off. So you can remember resident of NRI. Now from R, this one R, it will be repayment of loans. From O it will be offer, that is initial public offer or further public offer. From F it will be easy to remember, fraud. So R resident of, OF. From R repayment, O public offer, F fraud. Now NRI, that is non-resident of India. So from N it will be Nidhi company. From R related party transactions. From I internal audit. So we easily saw this, that till here clause 8 was covered. Now it will be clause 9, clause 10, clause 11, clause 12, clause 13 and clause 14. So till here clause 14 is covered. Now if we revise R, O, F, N, R, I. This one let me highlight, R, O, F, N, R, I. So from R it was resident, so repayment of loans. From O it is offer, that is IPO or FPO. From F fraud. From N Nidhi company. From R related party transaction. From I internal audit system. Last memory trick is left, this is CR, CR, RCC. So this one you can easily remember because there are only two letters, that is C and R. So it is 2 times CR, that is CR, CR and then RCC. So from C it is related to cash, the clause is related to cash, so it is non-cash transaction, and again from C it is cash losses. So you can remember this very easily, one is non-cash transaction, one is cash losses. Then from R it is registration, and from the next R it is resignation of auditors. So from CR it was non-cash transactions and then registration. Then again from CR, this one it is non-cash transaction, then registration under RBI Act, registration under RBI Act. Then from the next CR if we revise, it is cash losses and resignation of auditors. So if we revise this CR, from C Non-cash transactions are registration under RBI Act. C. Cash losses are resignation of auditors. So till 14 we had done earlier. So this one is 15, 16, 17, 18th clause. Till 18th clause we have done. Now is RCC. From R it is ratio analysis. You can remember it this way, that earlier we used CR. So CR is what? Current ratio. So this way you can remember that ratio will come next. So it is ratio analysis. Then from C again it is CSR, and from last C it is comments. Comments you can remember very easily, because at last what comes? Comments. When everything is finalized, what it is sent for? It is sent to receive the comments. Now also this CSR also you can remember easily, because above our memory trick was CSR. So you can remember here it will come from CSR. So till 18 it was done. This is 19, this is 20, and then this is 21st clause. So all the 21 clauses are easy to learn. Now once more if we see, it was filled, then CSR, then resident of NRI, and then CRCR RCC. I hope you liked the video and you were able to recall every memory trick. I'll suggest you, if you're not able to, you are being confused and not able to recall, then just pause the video, listen to one part again, and then move forward. Okay, and also do not forget to subscribe the YouTube channel.